Have you ever heard people talk about how they made money on Facebook and you are wondering how you also can do same from the comfort of your home? Then you're in luck, guys, because on this video I will be sharing with you ways in which you can begin to make money right now from the comfort of your home on Facebook. Yes, guys, some months back Facebook actually monetized some countries, which Nigeria is one of them, and other African countries. Now you can begin to put out content on Facebook that will make you money and take you to the bank. Now, if you have been thinking about how you can get started, if you don't know what to do or how to go about it, on this video I will be sharing with you what you can do to get started so that you also can begin to make money right now from the comfort of your home. Now, if this is of interest to you, you want to watch this video to the end and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I share everything about how to make money, how to get customers for your business and increase your income. If that is of interest to you, then you want to make sure you join this family. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. Like I said earlier, Facebook is one app that you can begin to make money right now from the comfort of your home. And the best part is that you have exactly what you need to actually get started with this. So it is not something that you want to get fancy with, right? You have your phone, which you are watching me right now. You have the voice, you can see me, so it means that you have the internet, right? So you have a phone and you have data for internet, right? So you can very well get started, very well begin to put out content on Facebook that Facebook will begin to pay you money. Now, what is the first thing that you want to do? Now, this is something that I started with, and I have been able to, through my Facebook account, make money for myself. Now, when we talk about Facebook monetization, right, even before Facebook begin to pay you money, you can also make money from the comfort of your home even if you don't get monetized. Now, when it comes to Facebook paying you money, you need 5,000 followers for you to actually begin to make money for yourself. So you want to get a lot of people to follow you on Facebook so that you also can meet that threshold, right, for you to get monetized on Facebook. So what are the things that you can do to actually begin to make money for yourself? Now, the number one is what Kunle actually did, right? Now, what Kunle actually did was for him to sign up with affiliate marketing programs, and what he did was begin to put out videos on Facebook and on a daily basis talking about what the affiliate program is all about in his videos. So while he was doing this for 30 days, he began to rank on Facebook, and immediately people began to follow him, people began to like him, they began to see him as an expert in that field, and that was it, guys. He actually began to make money right on Facebook. So what he did was actually to share the affiliate program links on his videos on Facebook, right? So as he was putting out content on Facebook on a daily basis, he was actually linking the affiliate program which he signed up for in that video. So at the end of the video, he will ask people to go and get the program that he was talking about in the video right in the comments where the affiliate link is actually on. That is exactly what he was doing, right? When he actually started making money on Facebook, and you also can do same. So my number one for you to get started on Facebook is for you to actually join an affiliate program. Now, there are a lot of affiliate programs that you can join right now. If you go on Google, you can search affiliate programs, right? And tons of affiliate programs will come up for you to actually get started with. Now, depending on where you're located, right, there are some affiliate programs that if you're in Africa, you will not be able to do, right? But there are some that if you are in Africa, you can actually do. And guess what, guys? You can actually affiliate for my own program, right? So I have a lot of affiliate programs that you can sign up for and begin to get commission. Now, when we talk about affiliate program, what it means is that you are actually talking about another people's product, right? You're talking about somebody else's product, and at the end, when people go to buy that product, you get a commission. So for that affiliate program, you can get a 20% commission, you can get 50% commission, you can get 60% commission, depending on what the person that has the program wants to offer, right? But the best that I always give out to my clients is that make sure that whatever affiliate program that you are going for is actually 50%. That way, when a product is 50,000 naira, you can get 25,000 naira. So you and the person that has that product is actually sharing 50-50. For me, that is the best, because you are the one doing the work for that person at that particular time, right? So 50% commission is the best part for you to go with. Other thing you can do on Facebook to make money is exactly what Nancy actually did. So Nancy signed up for my program. They called the Digital Product Creation Bootcamp, right? So in that program, what we did was to help Nancy, or people like Nancy, to actually create digital products of their own. So she does not have any physical product, so she created digital product like ebooks and online courses, right? When she created this product, she used Facebook to begin to talk about the products that she has created. Now, over time, people began to recognize her as an expert in the field that she was talking about. And immediately she began to get people signed up for her online courses, right, using the lead generation course that I created for her. Now, that is another thing that you can do when it comes to you making money on Facebook. You can begin to sell your digital product. Now, digital products are products that you can create using your phone or a laptop, using the internet to actually deliver to people. An example of this digital product that you can create is ebooks, online courses, templates, memberships, and the list continues like that. If you want to learn how to actually create digital product that will have your name on it, like ebooks, workbook, online courses, then you want to join the School of Digital Skills, where we will be teaching you how to create all of this that I have talked about, and you also can begin to sell out using Facebook, and you will make money for yourself. So that is the second thing you can actually do to actually begin to make money right here on Facebook. The third thing you want to do when it comes to you actually, making money right here on Facebook is, now this is something that Jane actually got started with when we were talking. She signed up for my program, and she began to, after talking, I gave her this strategy because she was complaining about not wanting to show her face on Facebook, right, on her videos. And I talked her to actually starting this strategy. Now, the one thing you want to do is to begin to create content. Yes, guys, content creation, video content creation this time around is something that you want to get started with. Now, one thing I want you to understand with this strategy is that you will not be the one creating the videos yourself. So what did Jane actually do? So Jane goes on different platforms where we have videos and download those videos. So you download those videos from whatever platform you want to download it. Then you want to edit the video and make it something like your own, so that you will not get the copyright strike on it when you put it out on Facebook. So Jane goes to different platforms, get these videos, use the editing apps like CapCut and InShot to actually make the videos hers, and she put it right there on Facebook. Now on a daily basis, she has a lot of videos going out on her phone, through her phone, to Facebook, and immediately in 30 days she was monetized. So this is another thing that you can actually do. You can begin to use other people's content, right, and put on Facebook, and you will not get the copyright strike. So remember, you want to make sure that that video is your own. You don't want to post it exactly the way the person that actually got the video posted that video in that platform. So you want to make it your own by adding some text to it. You want to make it your own by adding your face to it. You want to make it your own by having some kind of reactions to those videos before you actually put it out on Facebook. So with these three strategies, guys, you can begin to make money right now on Facebook. Like I said, you want to make sure that you get the 5,000 followers, right, for you to actually qualify for this threshold before Facebook will begin to pay you money. As you begin to do any of the strategies that I have shared over time on a daily basis, remember, you have to be consistent and you have to be intentional about it. As you put out these videos on a daily basis, people begin to recognize you as an expert in whatever field. And the beautiful thing about this is that as you build community of people, because as you put out these videos, right, every day on Facebook, people begins to follow you. You are building community of people. And the fourth thing that you can begin to do is to monetize that content, right? So what you do is help people to promote their business. So the fourth thing you can do, right, with all of this is for you to begin to do what Daniel actually did. So Daniel amassed a lot of followers for her, for his Facebook platform, right? He began to get a lot of followers on his Facebook platform, and immediately he began to charge business owners to actually advertise their product on his platform. Now, this is the fourth thing that you can actually do to make money for yourself on Facebook. So when you begin to put out products, when you begin to put out content on a daily basis intentionally, you are building followers for yourself. And as your followers increases, people begin to see you as an expert. People begin to like you. People begin to trust you, right? So as they are doing this, you can begin to advertise other people's products on your page or on your profile, right? So you can reach out to business owners and ask them to come and advertise their product on your profile. So let's say you get to 100,000 followers, or you get to 10,000 followers, you even 5,000 followers, business owners will want to advertise on your profile. So you can charge them as little as 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira to actually advertise their product for them on a daily basis. Say in 24 hours you charge 5,000 naira. If you get 10 people to actually sign up for that, definitely that is 50,000 naira for you if you're charging 5,000 naira. And as your followership begins to grow, right, you also begin to increase your money that you are charging them to actually advertise your product. Their product rather, right? So this is another thing that you can very well do to make money for yourself. Now guys, if you have found value in this video, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give it a thumb up by liking this channel. Also, I will be leaving this video here for you to go and watch how you can actually make money on WhatsApp, right? How I was able to make money on WhatsApp. That's another video that you should go and watch so that you also can begin to make money on WhatsApp. I will see you again on that video.